What if I told you that you could have a personal AI assistant within your iMessages? So today I'm going to be talking about Tomo. Tomo is Japanese for friend, and it's basically an AI assistant that lives within your iMessage. And so just taking a look at the website, it's very Gen Z coded. So if that's kind of not your vibe, then this may not be the best thing for you. However, it's still quite useful. And the team behind it has put in like a lot of work into making it very customizable, as well as making sure that it can connect to certain things. Played, so you can connect to your bank accounts, get bank info, create budgets, things like that. Google Drive, Gmail, and other things as well. So it's quite useful straight out of the box. And yeah, basically how you get started is you just go up here, or just visit Tomo AI and then click start, and it basically prompt you to open iMessage. And then from there, it'll basically just kind of like take you through a rundown of what Tomo is, how to use it. You'll be able to talk with it immediately, so you can try it out before having to upgrade. And so far, it's been really nice. So I've just been using it mostly for just like setting reminders for things, as well as kind of like spaced repetition. I've been studying a lot for interviews for full-time positions, and it's been quite useful when it comes to like asking me interview questions throughout the day, behavioral questions, technical questions, things like that. And it's quite nice. You can just have it set on a schedule, be like, hey, Tomo, can you remind me at 4 p.m. to ask me questions related to so-and-so, or, just like go through my Gmail and can you tell me like 5 action items that I need to do or something like that. So it's quite useful. And you might be wondering why use this? And you might be wondering, well, aren't there like other AI assistants or AI agents like Hermes agent, openclaw, other ones as well. And the thing about Tomo is that it's very easy to get started. You simply just connect it to iMessage and just start texting it like immediately, compared to some of the other ones where you have like to set it up, configure stuff like a lot, and it's just kind of like a hassle for like, I believe, like the average consumer. So Tomo is like super cool. And so just kind of giving you guys a brief look into some of my messages. So as I said before, I've been doing a lot of like prep for just like interviews and stuff in general. So as you can see, just telling it to remind me at 7 p.m. to do spaced repetition. And I also, just ask it to ask specific questions. So like system design questions, understanding distributed systems, just some quick context. I'm applying to software engineering roles, so that's kind of like why I'm asking it to ask me those type of questions. And it's pretty cool. It also has kind of like its own little like personality. So at the end there, it's kind of like, it costs like $670 a month. And then I was like, wait, really? And then I was like, nah, it's $19.99. So yeah, it kind of has like its own personality, which is pretty nice. And so you can see here, I connected it also to Played. So it has read access to my banking info, my brokerage as well. So just asking it to kind of like help me create a budget, stuff like that. Yeah, so if you do want to try Tomo, it's just this link up here. I'll also put it down in the description. But yeah, definitely give it a try. It's like super nice, and I think the price is also pretty affordable as well for like the amount of use you can get out of it. Yeah, you can also upload images. I believe you can also create like widgets for you for like specific stuff. So I haven't tested that, but that sounds pretty cool. And yeah, if you're part of the Tomo AI team, feel free to reach out. My contacts are down below. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.